18 because already we have finished 2020 2019 questions we have finished. Now this is 2018 questions. We are doing 2018, a simplest question here asked. So now you know this is a match the following questions. So what you need to do, in the first lecture 2019-20 I explained method completely, but now I can tell you shortcut for this. So A is equal to, whenever you have A, B, C, D, then adjoint of A will be, adjoint of A is equal to D minus B minus C A. This is the adjoint of the matrix. So directly you can write adjoint of the matrix. A is equal to D 1 minus B, already minus 3 is there, minus into minus plus 3. C is minus 4, A is 2. So 1 3 minus 4 2, 1 3 minus 4 2, option A is the right answer. Okay, no need to do much. Now 2018 next question, very interesting, important question. Find the inverse of the matrix using the elementary transformation. For today's, this is the last question we are discussing here. So whenever you want to find inverse of the matrix, listen. Whenever you want to find inverse of the matrix, you can use that A is equal to IA. You know this is A is equal to IA form. A is equal to IA. A into IA क्या होता है? A. So A, I will write the matrix 1 2 minus 2 minus 1 3 0 0 minus 2 1 is equal to I is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 into A matrix. What is the A matrix here? 1 2 minus 2. Don't write this one. This is, you have to write A only, this side. So you know that A into IA is equal to A. So what you do here, A we will write the matrix, identity matrix, right? We keep A as it is. Don't change this. You know that A into B equal to what? I. If you get A into B is I, A into B is I, then B is called inverse of A. तो हम क्या करने वाले, इसको आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स बनाने वाले हैं. तो ये बनेगा इनवर्स. समझ में आया? We are going to make this is an identity matrix, then you get this is inverse, because A into inverse will be I. So that is what the logic we are going to use it. So if I want to find the identity matrix every time, remember this is the main step to remember. Always make here 1, but already it is 1. If it is not there 1, suppose 2 is there, divide by 2, but it is not there, it is 1. We are doing this problem 2018, already it is 1, no need to do that. Then next you have to make 2 zeros, because see here 1 उसके बाद 2 0 होना चाहिए, तो 1 है उसके बाद 2 0 बनाना चाहिए. तो बनाने के लिए क्या करेंगे, R2 implies, I write as a elementary transformation, R2 implies R2 plus R1 I write. ये तो 0 बन जाएगा, ऑलरेडी ये तो 0 है. तो what happen here, happens here R2 चेंज हो रहा है, तो R1 R3 will be same, 1 2 minus 2, R2 minus 1 plus 1 0, 3 plus 2 5, 0 minus 2 minus 2, and R3 is 0 minus 2 1, and this is equal to the same thing you have to do, R2 plus R1, R2 plus R1. So here R1 is same as it is, R3 is same as it is. Here is 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0 into A, means this is going to change, and that is the result of A inverse. Now I got 1 0 0, then what you have to do, this is you have to make 1. Remember these are the steps you have to do. A तो already 1 है, तो ये दोनों को 0 बनाना है, तो बना दिया. उसके बाद इसको 1 बनाना है, तो इसको 5 से डिवाइड करो. So this is R2. So what we do here, R2 divide implies R2 by 5. I'll divide by 5. So if I divide by 5, what I get here, 1 2 minus 2. If I divide by 5, 0 1, I'll get minus 2 by 5, 0 minus 2 1. So this is what I get, and this is implies 1 0 0, R2 I am dividing by 5, so I'll get here 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0 by 5 is 0, and you get 0 0 1 into A. So that's what I got. Is it clear? Okay, all right. Now what we have to do, अभी इधर तक आ गए हमने, तो अभी ये दोनों को ज़ीरो बनाना है, ठीक है. We have to make these two 0, right? तो what we will do, ये दोनों 0 करने के लिए इसको यूज़ करना है, इसको यूज़ करके इसको 0 बनाना है, तो करेंगे. अभी क्या है ना, R1 implies R1 माइनस 2R2, माइनस करूँगा इससे, 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस किया तो 0 हो गया, राइट. R3 implies what I can write, R3 implies, ये तो R3 ऐसा ही है, R3 प्लस 2R2 करना है, तो 2 1 से 2 होने के बाद ये 0 हो जाएगा, है ना. तो हम ऐसा करेंगे. सो हियर व्हाट वी डू हियर, R1 R3 गोइंग टू चेंज, R2 विल बी सेम, R2 चेंज नहीं होगा, तो R2 को ऐसा लिख सकती हो. R1 चेंज कैसा होगा, 1 माइनस 2R2, 1 होगा, 2 इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेगा और उसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेगा तो 1 ही आएगा, 2 चेंज नहीं होगा, ये कभी भी चेंज नहीं होगा, ठीक है. अब इधर आते हैं, R2 क्या है, 1 है, 1 माइनस ये 2 से मल्टीप्लाई किया सब्ट्रैक्ट किया तो ये क्या हो गया, 0. हमने यही काम कर रहे हैं ना, ये दोनों तो 0 ही आएंगे, हमको सिर्फ ये दोनों का वैल्यू लिखना है, ठीक है. देखो इधर लिखता हूँ मैं, इधर वर्क करता हूँ. इधर क्या है, R1 क्या है, -2 ऑलरेडी है, और द सिंबल क्या है, माइनस है, उसके बाद 2 है, इंटू R2 आना चाहिए. R2 का वैल्यू कितना है इधर, -2/5, -2/5, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, -2 प्लस 4/5, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, -10 प्लस 4/5, एलसीएम 5 2 10, तो ये क्या होगा, -6/5, तो ये आया -6/5. लास्ट वाला नीचे वाला करना है हमको, तो नीचे वाला को क्या करेंगे सर, ये है ना R3 1 प्लस 2 इंटू R2 इज वॉट, -2/5, तो 1 माइनस 4/5, तो 5 माइनस 4/5 इज हाउ मच, 1/5, ये तो हो गया. दिस इज इक्वल टू, नाउ इधर का काम करना है, इधर 1 माइनस क्या है, 1 माइनस, इधर क्या होगा, 1 माइनस देखो इधर 1 माइनस 2 इंटू R2 कितना, 1/5, तो क्या होगा, 1 माइनस 2/5, दैट इज 3/5, सो इधर आएगा ये 3/5, और 0 माइनस 2/5, that is -2/5. 0 minus anything is, here it is 0, leave it. Now R2 no change, because इसमें तो R2 चेंज नहीं है, तो 1/5 0. R3 चेंज है, R3 क्या कर रहे हैं, R3 दिस इज प्लस 2 टाइम्स दिस, तो 0 प्लस 2/5, that is 2/5, so 2/5. R3 0 plus this is, so 2/5. R3 this is 1 plus 2 times 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 into A. इधर तक आ गया हम, सो हमने देखो 1 0 0 0 1 0 तक आ गया. हमको अभी क्या करना है, इसको 1 बनाना है, इसको 1 बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे, इसको 1 बनाना है तो क्या करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है, 5 से. मल्टीप्लाई किससे करना है, सो 1 इंटू 5 कैंसिल हो गया ना, 1. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज दैट, ओके, कॉपी डाउन, आफ्टर आई विल एक्सप्लेन. फाइनल टच क्या करेंगे, ये है ना R3, आई टोल्ड ना R3 implies R3 into 5 R3, we have to write here 5 into R3, right, then only it is becomes 1, right. So R3 we will multiply with 5, so you'll get what you are going to get here, 1 0, tell me now, minus 6 by 5, 0, 1, 2 by 5, 0, 0, you get here 1. Multiplied with, na? Here I multiplied with 5. 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 0, 0, 5 into 1 by 5 is 5. Sorry, 1. अभी क्या है इधर 3 by 5, minus 2 by 5, 0, 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 0. Now multiply with 5 there. You get 2, 2, 2, 2, 1 by, into 5. 5 ones are 5. You are multiplying this whole with 5. This whole with 5. Right? Now you got here 1. Now we have to make these two zeros. So then our work done. ये दोनों इससे आपको ज़ीरो करना है तो क्या करेंगे नाउ व्हाट यू राइट हियर R1 implies R1 plus this is I can write as 6 by 5 R3. So I get here, then you get 0. Next R2 implies R2 plus नहीं minus करना है R2 minus 2 by 5 R3. Then you will get the answer. Fine? Yes? Okay, if it is this is minus 2 by 5, then it you get plus. See here. Next here we write as R1. See here. अभी हम करते हैं ना R1 plus 6 by 5 R3. So what do you get here? R1 is this is not going to change 1 0 0 0 1 0 ये तो आ जाएगा आपको क्या आएगा 0 0 1. This side is clear. Now this side we have to do it into a I forgot na into a right. Now what we get here R1 means what 3 by 5 R1 is 3 by 5 plus 6 by 5 into R3 is what here 2 right 3 by 5 so what do you get here 3 by 5 plus 12 by 5 so 15 by 5 and now 15 by 5 means it is directly 3 answer. Now here minus 2 by 5 plus 6 by 5 into 6 by 5 into 1 by 5 right 6 by see here R1 plus 6 by 5 is R3. R1 is minus 2 by 5 plus 6 by 5 into R3 is 2. So what I am going to get here minus 10 right plus 10 by 5 means 2 you are going to get here 2. Next one is 0 plus you have here 0 next one is what 0 plus 6 by 5 into 5 cancel you get here 6 so 3 2 6 you are getting R2 also 2 2 5 you got here. Now middle one I have to get R2 plus 2 by 5 R2 is what 1 by 5 I'll write here 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into R3 is what here 2 R3 is 2 so you are getting 4 plus 1 5 by 5 means 1 here you are getting 1. Now this one here next one R2 is here 1 by 5 plus 2 by 5 into R3 is 2 so here also again 1 and 0 plus 2 by 5 into 5 cancel 2 answer so you got 3 2 6 1 1 2 2 2 5 this is the A inverse right समझ में आया so this there will be many methods but this method if you apply you will not get wrong answer that's it. However you have to make one concept remember that 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 that's what you have to make. So you got here what you got I is equal to this B into A so this will be the inverse of the matrix so this is become I into something into A into something is I so this something is inverse so we can write as therefore by observing above A inverse is equal to 326 112 225. This is the answer. A inverse is this. A inverse is what? 326 112 225. So this is the way to do the problem. We have done completed. Okay.